users, are you in a situation where you want to connect other devices on the internet through your iPhone personal hotspot, but disappointingly your iPhone personal hotspot is not working? Or you know more, in this video I'll show you a simple tip which you can implement to make your iPhone personal hotspot work perfectly. But before I continue, I want you to click the subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell, because every time I upload content like this, YouTube will alert you. And also don't forget to like and share to your friends. Okay, without wasting time, let's go. Open your iPhone settings, select mobile data, select mobile data network, scroll down where is the personal hotspot and click APN, type in iPhone and go all the way back to settings, and here you go. Now your iPhone personal hotspot is not working. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and also like and share to your friends and loved ones. You know there is love in sharing. So see you in the next video.